Welcome. If you're looking to enjoy a distraction-free Instagram experience on your PC, you're in the right place. Today, I'll show you how to disable notifications for message reminders on Instagram using the latest update. Whether you want to focus on work, study, or just browse in peace, these steps will help you silence those persistent message reminders. Let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser and head over to the Instagram website. Log into your account if you haven't already. Once you're on the main Instagram page, take a look at the menu on the left side of the screen. Here, you'll see several icons. Click on the profile icon. It's usually your profile picture or silhouette. After clicking your profile, a new menu will appear. From this menu, find and select the option labeled Notifications. This is where you can manage all your Instagram alerts and preferences. Inside the Notifications section, look for Push Notifications. Click on it to access more detailed notification settings. Now scroll down until you see the section called Message Reminders. This is the setting responsible for those alerts reminding you about unread or new messages. To turn off these notifications, simply select the Off option under Message Reminders. Once you do this, Instagram will stop sending you push notifications about message reminders on your PC. That's it. You've successfully disabled message reminder notifications. From now on, you can check your messages on your own schedule, without any interruptions popping up on your screen. If you ever want to turn these notifications back on, just follow the same steps and choose the On option instead. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, consider sharing it with friends who might also want a quieter Instagram experience. Stay tuned for more tips on making the most out of your social media.